That feeling in your gut when you're nervous? That gut-wrenching anxiety? What if I told you that's not just a metaphor? What if your digestive system is literally talking to your brain, and when this conversation goes wrong, it can lead to anxiety, depression, and brain fog? I'm Dr. Flora, and today we're exploring one of the most exciting discoveries in modern medicine, the gut-brain axis. We'll uncover how fixing your gut could be the missing piece to better mental health.
Your gut and brain are in constant communication through what scientists call the gut-brain axis.
This isn't just philosophical. It's a physical connection consisting of three main pathways.
First, the vagus nerve, a superhighway carrying messages between your gut and brain.
Your mood. Third, your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that produce chemicals affecting your mood.
Groundbreaking research is proving this connection. A 2019 study in Nature Microbiology found that people with depression had consistently lower levels of specific gut bacteria.
Another study showed that transplanting gut bacteria from depressed humans into rats made the rats show signs of depression too.
Here's what's happening. When your gut is unhealthy, it creates inflammation. This inflammation travels through your bloodstream to your brain, damaging brain cells and disrupting neurotransmitter production. Essentially, a leaky gut can lead to a leaky brain.
So how do you know if your gut is contributing to mental health issues? Watch for these signs.
Your anxiety gets worse after eating certain foods.
You experience brain fog that comes and goes with digestion.
You have digestive issues alongside mood swings, sugar cravings that feel uncontrollable,
Fatigue that doesn't improve with sleep. Step 1. Feed your good bacteria with prebiotic foods. These are dietary fibers that act as fertilizer for your gut microbiome. Add foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas to your daily diet. Step 2. Add probiotic-rich fermented foods. Unlike supplements, these contain diverse bacterial strains. Start with 1 tablespoon of sauerkraut or kimchi daily and build up gradually. Step 3. Reduce gut inflammers. The biggest offenders are processed foods, refined sugars, and industrial seed oils. Even healthy foods like gluten and dairy can be problematic for some people. Pay attention to how you feel after eating them. Step 4. Manage stress. Remember the vagus nerve?
Chronic stress keeps it in fight or flight mode.
Simple daily practices like 5 minutes of deep breathing can activate the relaxation response and improve gut function. Here's what a gut healing day looks like. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds. Lunch. Large salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and olive oil dressing.
Snack. Apple with almond butter. Salmon with roasted asparagus and quinoa.
Herbal tea like ginger or peppermint after meals.
Be patient. Gut healing takes time.
You might notice reduced bloating within days, but significant mental health.
Improvements can take 4 to 8 weeks.
Important. If you have severe digestive or mental health issues, please consult your doctor before making major changes.
Your gut is truly your second brain. By healing your gut, you're not just improving digestion, you're potentially transforming your mental health from the ground up.
This approach could be the missing piece you've been searching for. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed health strategies. If you what's one gut healing food you'll add this week? Share in the comments.